Namhlanje indlela ye-R80 eyaziwa ngeMabopane Highway beyigcwele ukubabazekako njengombana imphathimandla zomthetho bezithoma ijima lokukhuthaza ukuphepha endleleni. Kodwana ijimeli selizele ngengozi eziningi lengakathomuki yaphi. Gazi isikhubukile isibalo sabantu ababhubhele endleleni nakulinganiswa nomnyaka opheleleko. Umnyaka opheleleko bekuzingozi ezama-34 ezenzeke emvekeni entathu zikaNobayeni nonyaka nje ziyi-111.
Statistics reveal that people who died in our roads this year were passengers at 35%, followed by pedestrian at 34%, drivers at 26% and motorcyclists at 1% and vehicle drivers at 1%. The vehicle types that had the most contribution to fatal crashes were minibuses, light delivery vehicles and trucks. Most fatal crashes happened during the early hours of the morning and early evening.
Umbalula uthi ukungalandela kwemthetho yendlela ngikho kubangela ingozi eziningi endleleni kanti ngehlangothini lomthetho umbalula uyelelisa abatshayeli ukuthi bayivuselele nangasinjalo bazaqala nesandla esiqinileko somthetho.
Always urged people to go and renew their vehicle discs, and they are not doing that. From last night and even this morning, you still have got a lot of vehicles. You have seen the total number of vehicles impounded. There are many. And that mission is going to continue because we urge all motorists to go and renew their discs, vehicle discs, and that is important for them to actually do that, or otherwise they are going to face the consequence.
Ekuthomeni kwejimeli ziyi-710,000 intuthu ezijanyisiweko zaqalwa ukuthi zikulungela ukuba sendleleni na kanti intuthu eziyi-1,500 zifunyele ezingakakulungeli ukuba sendleleni. Umbalula uthi imphathimandla zendlela zizokuragela phambili nokuqinisekisa ukuthi isitjhaba siphephile ngalesi sikhathi sama-holiday kaKrismusi. Nanyana kunjalo uthi abatshayeli nabo kufuze baqinisekise ukuthi abantu baphephile ngaso sonke isikhathi.